How's it going, everyone? Adam here from Coding Basics, and welcome to tutorial number 27 in my Introduction to Python series. Today we're getting into something that I think is a little bit more advanced, which is reading files. So we're actually going to read from a file. Now, ignore all these other pages over here. They're just website pages for my website, codingbasics.ca, which if you guys don't know, go check that out. Got my written tutorials there. So I got this blank file created called readfile.py, and then hello.txt, which just has some text in it. So hello world. This line here is empty, so an empty line. I just hit enter, and then I am Adam. I put a couple tabs in here, and then I'm 19. So let's actually go over how we're going to read this. Now, first, we need to open the file. Well, for that, we're going to create a variable called text, and to open the file, it's very simple. We're just going to use a method that's called open. So, simple. And what goes in here is the file name. So your file name goes in here, whether you have a variable called file name, or in our case, we're just going to put a string directly in there. So, hello.txt. Alright, and now I'm going to print out, here is our file. And then I'll print out what's in the file. Now for that, we can't just put txt. I'm actually going to run that just to show you what happens. So, Python. I'm already in the folder, by the way. If you got to navigate there if you haven't already, but I'm already in my folder. So Python read file.py. So all it does is displays some object, which is just shows that it's a file. It's pretty much the same as if we printed out a class and we didn't have our string method in there. So you just kind of get the representation of this file that was opened. To get the text from it, we are going to have to read this file, and believe it or not, to do that, we just got to use the .read method. I know, that hard. Maybe I was lying when I said it was a little bit harder. I remember it being harder learning anyway. But anyway, Python readfile.py now. We launch it. And you can see it has the hello world, a blank line, I am Adam, all the tabs that I put in, and then the following, I'm 19. So that's all I got for you guys this time. Pretty much use your imagination. What you can put in there. You can put in any amount of text you want. Next tutorial, we're going to go over splitting, which is important for, if you wanted to break up all of this into separate strings. So, for now, that's all I got for you guys, and I will see you next time.